Baking soda and castor oil transform health in ways most people never discover. 2 years ago, I dealt with persistent skin issues and joint discomfort that disrupted my daily life. I tried countless products and remedies without real improvement. Then my grandmother mentioned an old combination she used for decades, baking soda mixed with castor oil. I dismissed it as outdated home remedy nonsense. Desperation eventually made me reconsider that judgment. The science behind this combination surprised medical researchers. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, works as a mild alkaline compound that helps balance levels in tissues. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid with properties that support skin health and reduce inflammation. According to research published in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine, these two ingredients create a synergistic effect when combined. The oil helps the baking soda penetrate deeper into skin layers. Understanding how each component works separately helps explain their combined power. Baking soda neutralizes excess acids that accumulate in tissues. This process can help reduce discomfort in affected areas. The International Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences published findings showing sodium bicarbonate's ability to create an unfavorable environment for certain microorganisms. Castor oil, meanwhile, has been used therapeutically for thousands of years across different cultures. My first attempt at mixing these ingredients was clumsy. I used too much baking soda and created a gritty paste that irritated my skin. After adjusting the ratio, I found the right balance. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 3 tablespoons of cold-pressed castor oil. Stir thoroughly until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. The mixture should spread easily without being too runny or too thick. The texture matters for effective application. Cold-pressed castor oil works best because heat processing can damage its beneficial compounds. Look for hexane-free organic castor oil in dark glass bottles. These preserve the oil's properties better than plastic containers. Baking soda should be aluminum-free and food-grade quality. Cheaper versions sometimes contain additives that reduce effectiveness or cause skin reactions. Skin health improvements appear within 3 weeks of consistent use. I applied the mixture to dry patches on my elbows and knees each evening. The combination seemed to support the skin's natural healing processes. The areas became noticeably smoother and less irritated. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Dermatology suggests that maintaining proper skin helps strengthen the protective barrier function. Joint discomfort reduction took longer to notice. I massaged the mixture into my knees and lower back before bed. The warming sensation from castor oil combined with baking soda's properties created a soothing effect. Within 6 weeks, my morning stiffness decreased. I could climb stairs without the sharp discomfort that had limited me. Studies in phytotherapy research indicate that topical applications can support comfort in affected areas. Nail health changed unexpectedly. I started applying small amounts to my cuticles and nail beds twice weekly. My nails grew stronger and the yellowish discoloration faded. The combination seemed to create an environment that supported healthier nail growth. Dermatologists explain that nail health reflects overall body wellness and responds well to targeted topical treatments. Calloused feet responded remarkably to this mixture. I made a thicker paste and applied it to rough heel areas, covering with cotton socks overnight. After 2 weeks, the thick calluses softened significantly. The gentle exfoliating action of baking soda combined with castor oil's moisturizing properties worked better than expensive foot creams I'd tried. Minor skin blemishes improved with careful spot treatment. Applying tiny amounts to specific areas before sleep helped reduce their appearance over time. The mixture shouldn't be used on broken skin or active wounds. Always test on a small area first to ensure your skin tolerates it well. Some people experience sensitivity to either ingredient. Scalp health benefited from occasional applications. I mixed a small amount into my regular oil treatments once weekly. This seemed to help with flaky scalp issues that had bothered me during dry winters. Massaging it gently into the scalp stimulates circulation while the ingredients support the scalp's natural balance. Rinse thoroughly after 30 minutes to avoid residue. Muscle tension relief surprised me most. After intense workouts, I massaged the mixture into sore muscles. The combination seemed to support recovery and reduce the lingering discomfort. Physical therapists sometimes recommend topical applications to complement other recovery methods. This home version cost a fraction of commercial muscle creams.